as if I know where it is and where. Seminary, and they have garden. This one, I know if you recollect they pay me. This kind of place in my city, I go like am. So guys, sorry, ignore my look. You don't know why I look. I'm cooking and everywhere is so hot. Let's unbox. This part we just came. So let's unbox. Wow. Guys, take a look at what is here. Let me see if my it's playing. Okay. So take a look at what is here. I got this shoe from Zalando. Wow, guys, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. So I don't know if you guys can see me. Yes, for Abegate, 2 words. We've started going to church, so it's time for us to start getting church outfits. Guys, take a look. I don't know if you guys can see it. Take a look. So I got this from Zalando. Wow. Take a look. It's going to look good on me, is that not? So that's it. I'm trying to make a rice and stew. That's what we are eating. So yesterday was Sunday. I couldn't make anything. Mama mia, ignore my outfit. I couldn't cook anything yesterday. So we ate what I have at home. So today I'm trying to make rice and stew. So take a look at it, guys. So beautiful. Rate my shoe in the comments.
Morning comes in soft, you smile, then the room does too. Little wins and simple things, that's your kind of truth. Cup in your hand, sun on the table, golden slow. You make the ordinary feel like a place to go. When you make it easy, when you make it kind, every little moment feels like it's mine. Chewing, stay close, sweet as a soft hello. Chewing, you go in the calm you show. Chewing, stay close. You make the good times grow. Chewing, you go, and I just need you to know. Walking through the afternoon, easy laugh, easy pace. Little stories in your eyes paint a brighter place. You don't have to try so hard, your heart says all it needs, like a breeze.
So guys, and Zana, we are taking a walk, but this walk is not in my city at all. It's not in my city. So we came to a city, another city, a very far city from my city. So hubby has an appointment in this city. So guys, let me show you what is interesting, Zana. So this place is a walkway. Car can't pass here. Okay, let me go. As I was telling you. So we came to another city, a very far city from my city, Sha. So hubby has appointment in this city. We came to do something. So the place they described for him, how will I put it, is far from where we parked our car. So I told him to go. They use the leg they go, so that me and Zana can stay in this garden. This is a garden. You can see this is a seminary. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see the right up there. I don't know if you guys can see it right up. So this is a seminary. Then they have garden where kids can play. So this is a walkway. Cars can park here. Cars will not be able to pass here, even bicycle. So what will say bicycle? Even machine will not be able to pass here. So what is only allowed to pass this place is legs and bicycle. So legs and bicycle. So cars can't pass. So it's very safe. It's very, very safe. And guys, the view is so beautiful. So beautiful. So like I was saying, hubby decided to go alone so that he will just trek alone. Since I know if he trek leg they pay me, let him go there with his leg. We just parked in the big package in the city. So he said he wants to use his leg and go. So me and Zana, we have to wait in this park. We have to wait here for him to go and come back. And one of the reasons why I accepted was because I don't want me Zana. He can't reach the office, Zana will come to disturb. So she can play here now. I can bring her down. She can play. And so let me bring her down. Here is Baby Zana. Sit down. So we are sitting down. So here is Zana. So guys, like as I was saying, so we are just here waiting for hubby. Let him finish with the appointment. But he just called me a few minutes ago that where they directed him to, that the office is not where it is. So now we have to change direction. So he's coming. When he comes, we'll go to the direction that they told him. So good morning guys, welcome to the start of a new vlog. This is a new vlog now, see? This is a new vlog. This is a new vlog. I love this place. It's so cool. It's so cool. And it's, how will I put it, you can see so many things. Mama, you can see so many things. The view is so beautiful. Mama, what is that? Zana is giving me tough time. The view, guys, is so beautiful. You can see so many things, and you can relax. If you want to take your if I have this kind of place in my city, I'll go like Amo. What is that? I should bring what is in my bag down. Okay. Come in, guys. Mama, we'll first keep our camera. So if I have something like this in my city, I'll be very, very happy. See? And just come out and take a stroll. So, and we came out very early. Zana has not eaten. I just came out with this capsule and water for her because I thought we won't be wasting time. So guys, we are through. Let's start going back home. We are through the appointment and I'll still come back here again tomorrow for another appointment. So we're able to locate the place, and the person that gave us the address didn't direct us where. Here is easy to, where it itself is not even hard to locate. They gave us the wrong address in the first place. So we are already here. We have done we have gone through the appointment, so we are headed home. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Ciao. See rainbow. Ah, so beautiful. Guys, see rainbow. Wow, it's so close. It's so close. It's the first time of me seeing a very close rainbow. Very close, so beautiful.
Mommy, I hear that if you go close to where the rainbow starts, there's a pile of gold.
It's clear enough.
Everywhere's cool.
Everywhere's cool. I'm gonna be fast, guys. Very beautiful, so close to the house. Just as if I know where just as if I know where it is and where it's ended. As if it's on top of that roof. And who's as if it's top of that roof?
No.
As if it's back of the house. So beautiful. Whoa. The elephant is not clear again, but I think it's still very clear that way. Still very clear. No.
We see jackpot.
Only jackpot. Jackpot.
True, because I
Zana, I'm gonna breathe. I'm gonna breathe, Zana.
How I ever stop by now?
and you'll be coming weaker.
I started clearing off from this
So
place.
let's go.
And it's still bold here. Still very bold here. So beautiful.
We also can be rich.